Managing rental properties yourself is like having a full-time job, with zero benefits, no paid time off, and constant interruptions. If that's you, then no, your rental isn't passive income. It's active, stressful, and probably wearing you out. But here's the good news. Passive income from real estate is real. You just need the right system. This is how investors are turning rental properties into actual income machines with none of the daily chaos. Step 1. Get your mindset right. Your job isn't to fix toilets or chase tenants for rent. Your job is to own the asset. Let someone else handle the day-to-day. One of our clients came to Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, managing 4 properties on her own. She was handling calls, fixing leaks, screening tenants, every bit of it. She was burned out. After we took over, she told us, "This is the first time I've made money without having to earn it." That's the difference. Passive income means you don't have to be involved in every detail. Step 2. Get systems in place. Rent collection, maintenance, leasing, renewals, it all needs a streamlined process. If you're still texting tenants, waiting for checks in the mail, or using a spiral notebook to track expenses, you're stuck in survival mode. We automate everything. Online rent payments, digital lease signings, maintenance tracking, real-time updates. Your rental runs like a business, on autopilot. Step 3. Eliminate vacancy lag. Every day a unit sits empty is money lost. We turn units fast. Professional cleanings, minor repairs, listings go live immediately. Strong photos, market-accurate pricing, and fast follow-up with every lead. It's not just about filling a unit. It's about keeping that unit full, year-round. Step 4. Screen tenants like a machine. Passive income doesn't work if you rent to people who don't pay. That's where most self-managing landlords mess up. They go with their gut, skip the background check, and end up with headaches. We verify income, check credit, rental history, criminal background, everything. The result? Reliable tenants who pay on time, stay longer, and don't destroy your unit. Step 5. Get out of the handyman role. You shouldn't be the one fixing leaky faucets or figuring out why the furnace stopped working. We've got maintenance handled, licensed vendors, fast response times, fair pricing. And we don't just react, we prevent problems before they happen. Seasonal checks, filter changes, roof inspections. That's how you protect your asset and avoid costly repairs later. Step 6. Know your numbers. A rental property can't be passive if you don't know what it's doing. Are you cash flowing? Is your rent under market? Are your expenses climbing? We give you a full dashboard, rent collected, expenses, maintenance history, lease expirations, monthly statements, tax-ready reports. It's like having a business manager for every property you own. Step 7. Grow with purpose. If your goal is to build long-term wealth, you need to scale. But you can't scale if you're stuck managing what you already have. We help you identify the right neighborhoods, run rent comps, assess rehab costs, and predict cash flow before you buy. This is how small landlords turn into big investors. Step 8. Fire yourself. If you're still involved in the daily grind, it's not passive. Let it go. One of our clients had 10 properties and couldn't leave town without getting 10 calls. Now he's buying deals in other states, taking vacations with his kids, and sleeping through the night. Passive income isn't a dream, it's a system. And if you've got a rental that just won't cash flow, or maybe one that needs too much work, here's the deal. We buy houses, any condition, any situation. Vacant, trashed, behind on payments, it doesn't matter. We'll make a cash offer, close fast, and get you out clean. No agent fees, no commissions, no waiting. So whether you want to scale up or cash out, Alpine Property Management Kansas City can help. Every month you stay stuck in self-managing mode. You lose time and money. Let's fix that. Call Alpine today and finally make your rental passive. And before you go, drop a comment. What's the biggest thing standing between you and true passive income? Like this video, subscribe, and let's build something that works while you sleep.